Struggling with stomach growling and discomfort? Try ginger. This powerful anti-inflammatory herb soothes your digestive tract and can ease nausea. Peppermint is great for relaxing gastrointestinal muscles and reducing spasms. Peppermint tea or capsules work wonders for quick relief. Fennel is excellent for relieving gas and bloating, making you feel more comfortable. Chamomile is known to reduce digestive discomfort and promote relaxation. Lemon balm soothes your stomach and can help with indigestion. Comment herbal recommendations, like and subscribe.